Work, family, worry, children, bills, parents, travel, stay fit, commuting. For many people, today's world is so pressurized and almost everyone's busy. The problem is, most people are busy doing things they either don't enjoy, don't make them enough money, or don't improve their lives. It's tough. Stay with us for just a few minutes, because we believe there's a way you could change all this. We'd like to show you a remarkable business that can free you from financial worry, give you the income for a great family home, the time to enjoy it, the car you'd really like to drive, the education you want for your children, the holidays you deserve, an opportunity to live the way you want to live. That business is Forever, an outstanding, privately owned, cash-rich, debt-free, secure and stable, multi-billion-dollar company. One man with a huge vision founded Forever in 1978. His vision? To build a business based on natural, high-quality health and wellness products, keeping people and family always at the heart of it, while at the same time helping others, like you, begin to take control of your life. He's succeeded. Forever has experienced consistent and impressive growth every year, irrespective of global economic conditions. From $1 million a year in 1978 to $1 million a month in 1980 to $1 million a day in 1981. And now, just over 30 years on, the company has sales of over $2.6 billion a year. With a dream to open in every country in the world, Forever started to expand overseas in the 80s and now operates in over 150 countries. As the company expanded, so did the product range. Forever began life by being the world's largest grower and producer of naturally stabilized aloe vera and aloe vera-based products, a distinction still held today. Owning and controlling the entire process, they've continued to stay ahead of the curve, creating a range of natural products for everyday use, constantly developing cutting-edge products, now used and endorsed by customers from all walks of life. Healthcare professionals, athletes, and even a Nobel Prize-winning scientist. A company so confident, it offers customers a full, money-back satisfaction guarantee. This phenomenal success has been built in a different way, by allowing you to work in a different way. It's simple, efficient. You work flexibly. From home, it's highly profitable, allows you to develop several income levels, a feeling of great security in these difficult times. It all begins with Forever and their products. You won't find them in the high street. We said it was different, and the difference is you. You become a business owner, purchasing the products at wholesale, developing a handful of customers as you experience and recommend the products. You deal directly with Forever. Your customers deal directly with you. This will give you an extra income, very part-time, tucked in around the rest of your life. If you want more, the next step is to develop a team of people like you, people who are interested in having their own extra income. Forever will reward you and them on the whole team sales, and within a few months you can build a substantial income, helping people to create their own profitable businesses. As you develop this network of other business owners, become a leader, you can earn free international travel and the other awards that Forever offers. Some business owners in your team will become leaders in their own right and develop other business leaders. You're now a business developer with a royalty or pension-style income from £30,000 to £100,000 and more a year, with a network of independent business owners in your own country or internationally in any of the other countries where Forever operates. And then you can become part of the global profit-sharing program too, enjoying more of Forever's continuing worldwide success. It's an extraordinary opportunity to take control of your life, if you're prepared to do some work and learn. Of course, it's your decision whether you're prepared to do some work, but it's our responsibility to make sure you can learn how to create your success. How? Through the gold standard and award-winning personal training and support program that's already in place and has helped so many others achieve the life they want.
13 years ago, I would be one of the people you'd consider one of the lucky ones. I was the director of a major PLC in marketing, good job, good money, but no life.
When the time came to looking around to seeing what I could do to bring some income into the household, I really didn't find anything that suited. And fortunately, the phone rang and my brother-in-law invited me to come and take a look at this business.
I enjoy my job, but I don't want to live a life of poverty when I retire. So the reason why I joined Forever is because of pension. Why pension? Because there is not going to be pension when I retire, by the time I retire.
When you're looking for something that's part-time that you can work around the kids, there's really not much out there. That's where Forever had all the answers for me.
I was running a business which was failing very rapidly. We've got 4 children between us, and we were very, very concerned about the future.
I've always been passionate about helping people with their health and helping them to a better quality of life. What I found when I was practicing in the NHS was that I wasn't quite able to do that in the way that I felt I should. In addition to that, I was working incredibly long hours. I didn't have the time to spend with my family either.
I knew I wanted to be my own boss. I knew I wanted security, but I also knew I wanted the flexibility as well. So it was just about finding that.
I'd become increasingly unsatisfied with what I was doing on a day-to-day basis. So I saw the Forever opportunity not only to earn an extra income, which was great, but also to develop myself personally.
What I could see was a company that was very different to what I'd been used to. I could see a company that really focused on people first.
Started my business only really looking for a few £100 per month, but very quickly, within 20 weeks of working half an hour here, couple of hours there, I built up an income of £1,000 per month.
It has not only actually answered my dream of having my own pension. I've got my own pension. I actually go to work now because I really enjoy what I'm doing, not because I have to work.
Within a couple of years of building my Forever business part-time, I was financially in a position to leave the job.
We now live in a dream home set in 50 acres of beautiful rolling Monmouthshire countryside. We've been able to give our children the very best education.
5 years ago, my husband was able to give up his 30-plus year career in the corporate world, which I would say is unheard of, particularly in today's economic world. You know, our boys are privately educated. We have 2, 3, 4 months holiday away.
Now, after 12 years, the business gives me a 6-figure income, and it's allowed me to raise my children myself and have many, many choices in life and get to travel the world.
And within a period of 2 years, I was earning more money from Forever than what I was earning in my full-time job as a solicitor.
And we've been able to travel. Travel is a passion for both John and myself. But more importantly, we have complete and utter financial freedom, and we're able to sleep at night with no worries.
Now we lead the life that we choose to lead. We do exactly what we want to do. Make no mistakes, when we work, we're on purpose. But it's a fantastic life, and we absolutely love it.
The most exciting thing that's happened to me is that I've actually been able to sack my boss.
I'm really, really proud to say that all of our success has come as a direct result of helping other people achieve their success.
This is an incredible opportunity. Please don't miss it, because it could change your lives like it changed ours.
If you knew that with 2 or 3 years of focused work, with all the help and support you needed, you couldn't fail to change your life and achieve all that's important to you, would it be worth finding out more? Talk to the person who sent you this information. Ask your questions, get them answered, and come and join us. We're confident you'll be glad you did. Whatever your decision, thank you for taking these few minutes out of your very busy life.